The Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite sports a notch at the top of its display which houses a 24MP camera with AI capabilities for selfies and video calls. The device sports a massive 6.26-inch FHD Plus display, but the 19:9 aspect ratio ensures it fits the palm of most persons well and won't look too bulky. The rear design of the Mi 8 Lite includes a dual-camera sensor stacked vertically at the upper left corner. The dual-camera setup comprises a 12MP main sensor and a 5MP secondary sensor. There is also an LED flash at the side. The device equally packs a rear-mounted fingerprint sensor at the upper middle aspect, while at the bottom is the usual Mi logo. The Mi 8 Lite features a USB-C port surrounded by some nice speaker grills at the left and right sides. As a reminder, Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite is powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset and is available in 4GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 64